Hello everyone, this is Sharmin Khan from Milkyway Art Design. So today we are going to do another clustered modified bloom. The reason I'm calling it cluster because I have cluster of little blooms everywhere on the tile. So today I'm working on a 12-inch by 12-inch ceramic tile. And my idea is I am going to create a kind of like a bouquet thing. We'll see how it goes. And then colors that I am going to use, I'm going to write them down on the description sections. So as you can see right now, I am spreading my paint everywhere evenly on my surface, and I'm trying to make sure that I have just enough paint to spin and spread my pattern a little, but not too much. So that's why I'm spinning everywhere. And of course I need to cover the corners, so just bear with me for a little while. So I'll be covering my surface everywhere. So since in my head I'm thinking about a bouquet for this particular tile, I started at the center, and from there I am going to use different colors, whatever the colors I have mixed. This color, did you see the color? It's so pretty. It's called Mango Mumbo from ColourArte. And anyway, so I am kind of trying to create bunch of flowers in the center of the tile, and then I am going to modify them a little and then spin. And then I blew the middle flower that I have in the bouquet. I could not film it. Actually, I filmed it, but I could not get a good shot because of my head. So you can see the end result after all the blown I did. And when I blow, I just use my mouth. I sometimes use straws, but most of the time I'm not very satisfied with my straw blowing, so that's why I use my mouth a lot. I should try to experiment more with the straws, but for now this is what I have. I like the composition a lot. I like it, but now I want to do a little bit of modification using the thicker end of the straw. The reason I love the thicker end of the straw for this part is because that gives me more defined look. So that's what I am going for. So this is how it looks like before I spin. I just did my modification. Now I need to spin. Once I spin, then I'll see how it looks like. Now that I'm done with spinning, I can see that I can use the pointy side of the skewer to make some more modification, but these are going to be more detailed. So I'm going to use the pointy side of the skewer again, and showing you close up like what I do. It can be more intricate if you want it to be, or if, most of the time I don't do too complicated modification. It's all your personal preference. So I hope you enjoyed my video and you liked it. This is available for sale if you are interested, and this is the finished product, which is really stunning. I hope you loved my video, and I'm trying to go for 2000 subscriptions. So if you like my videos, please subscribe and help me go towards 2000 subscriptions. Thank you very much for watching my videos.